Look what's back, you guys! So this is only my second time checking out this subscription, but the last time we unboxed this, I kid you not, blown away. Like, it was so much better than I thought, and I didn't even have bad expectations for it. I mean, it was just that amazing. But then I also got so much great feedback from all of my viewers that you guys loved it as much as I did, and we were all equally shocked at how good this was. So I got the box again, you guys. So we're gonna open it up. I'm hoping it's just as amazing as last time, if not better. We're gonna check it all out today. You know what, I just realized I didn't even say what this box was. So hello, beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. We're taking a look at the Wordy Traveler subscription box. So like I said, the last time I opened this up was the first time I had ever seen this subscription. I did not even realize this was out there on the market. I just didn't even know it even existed. But it was so good. Now, if you guys want to check out that video, I recommend you do, because in that video, there is a box that I open up, and it's actually a free bonus box that you guys can get if you order today for this subscription. So I'm going to be posting that video right up here. That way you guys can go check it out. But then I'll also have it listed down below in that video description box. Now, what I mean by that is if you guys sign up for this subscription down below using my link, I have a discount code that will save you $20 off of your first box, which, you know, already I feel like $20 off is a great savings. But on top of that $20 discount, and you're going to receive this box that I have here, by the way. So on top of that, they're going to send you a free bonus box with a bunch of goodies inside of it. I mean, it's as big as this box here, and it has so many products in it. And that free bonus box is what I unboxed in my last video. You're gonna get that box completely free, full of different items inside. So not only do you save money, you also get basically 2 boxes for the price of 1. We're doing girl math today, you guys. So the Wordy Traveler is a quarterly subscription box that you receive every 3 months. This will feature a destination that will change up, and the theme of that box will be that destination. So you're gonna receive 1 to 2 books each quarter that will talk about either that location, or maybe it's a fiction novel that's set in that location. But then you're also going to get a bunch of other little goodies to go along with it that all go around that destination as well. So the idea is that we are traveling to this location by means of this subscription box. So we're gonna go ahead and get ready for our journey. We're gonna grab our suitcase here. We're gonna get our luggage. We're gonna open up our luggage and see where we're traveling to. Okay, we're gonna open this up together, you guys, and see where we are traveling to. So inside of our Wordy Traveler box, we are traveling to Australia? I'm so excited. I'm not kidding. When I started to see the flag, I was like, wait a second, is that New Zealand? And then oh, I'm so excited. Greetings from down under. Oh my gosh, you guys, we're going to Australia. Ooh, you know what, my name is Sydney, in case we haven't met. Nice to meet you, by the way. But it's spelled exactly like Sydney, Australia. So now I'm curious, like, maybe we'll get some things in here with my name on it. That would be a happy coincidence. And then down below, we're gonna see the rest of the items inside of our box. Oh, there's a passport. Look at this. So what I wanted to first show is that there are a lot of items inside of this. Now keep in mind, this is the regular quarterly box. This is the box that is shipping right now. So again, if you order, you not only get this box, but you're gonna get a second box that is just as full as this one that has a bunch of other items inside of it. We're gonna start with this passport, you guys, because how stinking cute is this? So this is our literary passport. You're gonna add a sticker every quarter to celebrate the destination that your stories have taken you on. So this is what it looks like. It looks just like the real deal. It feels like the real deal even. And then you open it up. How cool. I just can't get over how realistic this looks and feels, you guys. So you have all of these different pages. Here's gonna be our Sydney, Australia Opera House. So then inside of the box, we're gonna get to it in a second, but there's gonna be a sticker inside of every box that you get, and then we'll put this inside of our passport. So then we're gonna get our itinerary, if you will. So this will be a larger card and it's gonna show you again your destination. So we know we're going to the Outback here. And this one mentions that everything inside of this box is inspired by the wild, wondrous spirit of Australia. So inside we're gonna have several different souvenirs. We're gonna obviously have our books, and it says all of the literature will be in Australia inspired. Additionally, we're gonna get a tea or coffee element in this box as well, which that is guaranteed inside of every box. Not only do you get books, but you're additionally going to receive a tea or a coffee drink in every box. So I think this is gonna be our first souvenir in here. Look at how well done this is. See this stamp, and then, oh, it's just so cute. I love all of these little details inside of this box. Here's the first little souvenir. This is our sticker for our passport. So we're gonna have a charm that's a kangaroo. And then we also have the sticker. Oh, I'm so excited. So this is the Australia tag. So we'll be able to put that inside of the passport itself. And then this will be the charm that's going to go. Oh, she's got a little baby roo. So here's our kangaroo. And then if you look in the pouch, you can see the little face. So cute. I hear kangaroos are really mean, to be honest with you. And I hear they're very violent. Like they can attack your dogs and everything. So I'll take this kind of kangaroo. This is manageable. I can take care of this. But again, these are all going to be keepsakes as part of your journeys. So not only do you get the sticker for the passport, but then you're going to receive a charm inside of every box, and you can collect those. I think it'd be cute actually, even with this necklace, adding these on. I might do that actually, you guys. Maybe that's what I'm gonna do. This is gonna become my Wordy Traveler necklace, and we're just gonna add all of the charms. But that's what's so cute, is you can collect these as memories as if we're actually traveling. Okay, we're gonna keep moving forward. Now the next thing that I have in here says, behind every keepsake lies a meaning that makes it worth keeping. So this will be a cute little card. And it says it goes along with our metal bookmark. So you're going to receive a bookmark inside of every one of your subscription boxes. This particular bookmark is a custom metal one that they had made for their subscription box. So it's an elegant metal bookmark that features a kangaroo, their iconic symbol of adventure. This is a nod to forward movement and wanderlust, and it will mark your page with the spirit of the Outback and the courage to keep exploring. That's cute that they got something specifically made for our subscription. So this is what it looks like here. So it shows Australia up here at the top. It's got their flag. You've got the iconic symbols on here. Like I said, that opera house. And then down below, you're going to have that kangaroo and some foliage. Now it does say Australia at the bottom. This is, I mean, you can tell it's metal, so it is thicker, but it's solid. Like, it's not easy to bend. I was a little nervous that if it was too thin, you know, these things would bend and break really easily, but it doesn't. So it feels really nice. It's a good quality piece. I would venture to guess that if you really were traveling to go buy this, I feel like this would easily be $20, $25 for this. I mean, things are expensive, especially when they're custom made and they're metal like this, they're more expensive. You guys, there's a boomerang! Oh my gosh, I've never had a boomerang! You guys, come on. I live in Nebraska. We don't have boomerangs here like this. I cannot believe we got a boomerang. Look at this. So this is gorgeous. I have no idea if these are made with a special wood or not. I don't know anything about boomerangs, you guys. I really don't. It does look like it's hand painted, so that's really awesome. So I gotta learn how to throw this and figure it out. But that is so cool. So it mentions that this is one of our other souvenirs that we've collected on our traveling journey. This is a wooden boomerang, and it's handcrafted from wood and rooted in the spirit of the land. This is a timeless Australian symbol. Yeah, I totally agree. It says this will remind you to journey no matter how far, but you will always circle back home. So this is not just a piece of souvenir, it's also an actual piece of the Outback itself. That is so awesome. I've never had a boomerang before, you guys. Now I can't wait to find what else is in this box. This is what I mean too. I'm not joking. It is so exciting to get things like this that I've never seen before in other subscription boxes. Next up will be our tea. This one is Sleepy Bookworm tea. So this is a calming chamomile blend, and it says it's one cozy sip at a time that allows you to unwind, perfect for bedtime reading. So this will be a full pouch here. This is a good size pouch. You're gonna get several cups out of this. Thankfully, there is like a Ziploc seal up here at the top, so it will stay fresh, so you can just scoop it out as you need it. But being that it is a chamomile blend, it will naturally calm you down. I probably need this all the time, but you can take this right before bed, read your book. It's a great way to fall asleep. Also, I should point out, that is a free bonus item as well. If you sign up using my link and code down below, you will get this tea inside of every one of your boxes for a year. So you'll get 4 teas basically, because this is a quarterly subscription, if you sign up with my link and code. So this is a free bonus that's going on right now. So not only, think about that for a second, you guys, not only do you save $20 off of the box, you also get a second box that has $100 worth of products inside of it. And that's amazing because I already opened it. But then additionally, you're gonna get a pouch of extra tea every quarter. This bundle is the actual tea and coffee bundle though that goes along with our Australia box. So this one will have both of them in here, and it says, thank you for supporting family-owned and locally operated tea and coffee. So the coffee blend, this is coming from Texas. It says that this is their smooth coastal inspired roast that captures the laid back spirit of Byron Bay in every sip. So this is 2 ounces of coffee beans. Actually, they're not beans. This is all ground. They are definitely ground down already. So this will give you kind of that spirit. We're gonna open this. I wanna know what this smells like. I love coffee. I haven't even opened it all the way and I can smell it. Oh, it smells great, you guys. To me, this smells like a medium roast. It's not like dark or super rich, but it smells really bold, but not too bold. So I definitely feel like this is a great medium roast. It's really nice. It smells like it's gonna be a smooth blend. Okay, if we had smell vision, I would want you guys to smell this because it smells really yummy. I will definitely drink that. That sounds great. But then we also get tea. So this one is the Sydney Harbor tea. Ah, my name is on here, you guys. Actually, it's spelled different. I think they spelled this wrong, you guys. I think it's spelled wrong. It says Sydney. But anyways, so that does happen in real life too. I've had a lot of people put the N before the D, but this one actually has it before the D and after the D, so we get extra N's in this one. But this one is a bright citrus-kissed blend that evokes the peaceful glow of sunrise over Sydney's iconic harbor. So you can do several different cups of tea because this is 2 ounces. You only need 1 teaspoon for a cup. And it says you can have this hot or iced even. So this is what it will look like here. See what I mean though with the Sydney, how there's an extra N in there? So that's okay, totally fine. Mistakes happen. If anything, this just proves to me all the more so that this is a small business, you know, small production lineup. So I do think that's super cute. Now we're gonna get into our books because after all, this is the Wordy Traveler. So like I mentioned at the outset, you will get 2 books inside of your box. You can always add on additional books to your box if you want to. However, you will pay more for more books. I just go with the 2-book option because I figure that's the most manageable for me. And I feel like it's a great deal getting 2 books in here plus all of these other deals they have going on. So you get to choose if you want 2 nonfiction books or if you want 2 fiction, or you can do 1 of each as well. So it doesn't cost any different either, but you do get to customize when you first sign up what you would like to receive. So the first book that I have here, it's huge, you guys, way bigger than I thought. This one's called The Thornbirds. This is the #1 international bestseller, Colleen McCulloch. Is that how you pronounce her last name? It says, this is a magnificent epic, one of the most beloved novels of all time. This features a forbidden love in the Australian outback, and this is going to feature the generations of Clearys. These are ranchers that live out in the outback, and they face the bitterness, frailty, and everything that the outback has to offer, which I'm sure that's rough. Now, this book, it retails for $19.99 if you were to purchase it. It is very big. It's 673 pages, but like I said, it's featuring 3 generations. So what's cool is it gives you the years, and it tells you, and then as you go along, it will change and show you the years and who's telling the story. So this is not taking place in just, you know, one summer. This is literally decades that we're going to be going through. So no wonder why you need 700 pages to tell the story. That's the first book. My second book that I have in here is called Tracks. This is a woman's solo trek across 1,700 miles of Australian outback by Robin Davidson. And it says it's going to be made into a movie. Interesting. So this is what it looks like here. So this one is going to be that nonfiction novel. It retails for $17. And she goes on to talk about her entire journey across the desert to the sea on 4 camels and a dog for company. Riding a camel clear across Australia? Jeez Louise, I feel like, forgive me, but wouldn't that hurt your bum? Like, all I can imagine is like camels don't have a smooth ride. They're bumpy, right? Like, I just keep thinking that they seem a lot more bumpy than horses even do. But I'm like, man, like 1,700 miles on a camel. And I mean, it shows her doing it. Ooh, this sounds like a great adventure book. But see, how perfect is that you're getting it in an adventure subscription box. So that is everything inside of my Wordy Traveler subscription box. Comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what do you think of this subscription? For us book lovers, I love this, you guys. Like, so far, like I said, I've only done this twice, but I am excited to see how it goes. And there's a very good chance this is going to go on my best book list for subscription boxes, because I like the adventure element to this, and it's a little bit different compared to the other book subscriptions that I get. So I'm very happy with what I see so far. But additionally, let me just blow your mind one more time here. Not only can you get this box a little bit cheaper with my coupon code, like it's not your standard deal, because normally I'm like, hey, here's a coupon, you know, you get a discount, which you do. But on top of that, they're going to send you free tea for a year. And then additionally, they're going to ship you a totally separate box absolutely free. So you get 2 boxes for the price of 1. Actually, no, it's not even for the price of 1, because you get the discount on this order as well. So you're getting 2 boxes for a discounted price. So if you guys want to try it out and get in on this deal, like I said, I've got that code. I've got the link all down below. So far, in my opinion, it's 100% worth it, just because it does give you that sense of adventure. You get these adorable souvenirs, and now I'm going to get these little charms that I can add to my necklace, the passport. Oh, just the little details are so good. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. Enjoy your traveling experience. I will see some of you in Australia, I already know, but I will definitely see the rest of you in my next unboxing video. So until then, you guys take care, and I will see you all soon. Bye!